As climate change accelerates the spread of plant diseases, seed health is increasingly under threat. Meanwhile, inconsistent, unscientific regulations risk making things worse.
Healthy crop, healthy seeds is also very important for the country that imports the seed, because with healthy seeds there will be no spread or establishment of pests. Therefore, countries have a lot of regulations in place to ensure that only healthy seeds enter their countries. The problem with these requirements is that they differ per country. So it's very complicated to fulfill all the requirements of all the different countries to move the seed around the world.
Currently, sometimes we have to deal with measures that are not based on scientific evidence, which results in trade barriers. It means that farmers cannot get the latest, most disease-resistant varieties. That's a challenge because it means then that resources are redirected towards other efforts instead of focusing on the most important risks. So we really like to encourage the use of science-based measures.
However, solutions exist that meet both the seed sector's objective to get the latest, most disease-resistant varieties into the hands of farmers and the government's goals to protect their borders and crops.
The journey of a seed is really a global journey. And what you see is when the seed is traveling, and there's a lot of process steps. So digital transformation really helps to ensure the seed health of our seeds. Seed health is not something you only measure at the end. It's multiple steps in between that really mitigate all the risks. And with this traceability, that can really help to assure a quality for us as a company, but also for our customers. And regarding seed health testing, alignment of methods is also very important. So we can compare lab with lab. So we all talk the same language, government, companies. So also there, new technologies will help us to build trust in the results that we will have.
The idea behind systems approaches is that companies can ship seeds based on a certification. You can compare that to like an ISO certification. So it will be not look only at the final seed health test, but the whole chain of actions that a company takes. And the idea is that this framework will be accepted by as many countries as possible. So once you have the system, you can move your seeds easily between the countries that accept the system. So in the end, we think it will be much more predictable than the current system.
And the international standards on phytosanitary measures, or ISPMs for short, are a really useful tool in supporting science-based measures.